Hey guys, welcome back to Kuma Style Reviews. I don't really do unboxing videos too much, but this one's kind of a big deal. Got the Bandai Tamashii DX VF-1J Valkyrie. This is my first larger scale Macross toy. In fact, the only other licensed Macross toy that I have is the High Metal. I don't know exactly what scale that is. It measures to about 6 inches tall. But just getting these out of the slipcover here. It looks like that's the Valkyrie itself, and a separate box for the stand. And needless to say, I am giddy to have this in my possession. So we will do a full review and stuff like that. Trying to get it done this weekend. Today is the 16th, so hoping to get it done within the next couple of days. But of course, full review, gallery, all that stuff coming soon. Alright, we'll take a look at this. Yep. Very much so is the stand. Just making sure there's not any tape or anything like that. I like it. I like nice, thick boxes and things. And it makes me miss collecting a lot of solo Chogokin toys and things. Because if you guys read my written reviews, with the Sentinel stuff, a lot of what I collect, they're thinner boxes and things. And they've gotten a lot better. But Bandai is just a guaranteed nice, big, thick, sturdy box. And it's a good feel, you know? It's nice to have that feeling of care about the figure before you even open the box. Of course, instructions. Valkyrie itself, number of different hands and things like that. This guy's big. And I haven't watched any reviews of it or anything, mostly because I wanted to keep a lot of this a surprise for myself. I don't exactly know what this is. It looks like it's an alternate stand. I know that this was a special one, so maybe this is the default one that'll come with like a re-release or something. Sure there's not any tape or anything. Okay. Not exactly sure what that is, but that's what instructions are for. Oh. It's a pretty. It is a very pretty. Just setting this down for a second, seeing if I can get the gist of the stand without having to do anything too crazy. Honestly, I'm not exactly sure what goes well where in terms of the stand, but oh wow, of course. Yes, you can just clear it, make it look pretty. And sorry guys, I'm trying to step around a dog and I'm just home on lunch. Wanted to get this guy out of the cold so it doesn't freeze or seize. You guys know the deal with that. But And again, I really look forward to giving this guy the full Monty in terms of review, gallery. Because Macross is something that I've honestly, in my years of collecting, been scared to dig into. So it's nice to not just have one, but have a nice one. And there we go. Stay tuned for the full review, breakdown, article, gallery, all that stuff, full Monty. Of course, on Kuma Style YouTube as well as kumastyle.com online. Yeah, thank you guys for checking out this unboxing. Again, I can't wait to dig into this guy.